sweet friends, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a Valentine's swag for my lantern. So I'm going to clip off these extra pieces at the end. This is a garland that I picked up from Hobby Lobby, and I used it on a different project, but I have this left over, so I want to go ahead and use this. And I do want this in 2 pieces. That looks about right. There's my 2 pieces there. Now let's make a bow. I'm going to do a stack bow. I want my tails to be around 10 inches. So there's my tail. I'm going to make a loop. Not a big loop because it's just a lantern. It's probably, I don't know, like a, let's do like a 4-inch loop. So I have my loop here. Here's my tail and my loop. I have it in between my 2 fingers here. I'm going to twist it. Make another loop. Check to see if the size is correct, and they are. Cut it off. I'm going to use my EZ Bowmaker to help me. So this is going down into the 2 dowels right there. Now I'm going to go in with this sheer ribbon. Do about a 10-inch tail. Make about a 4-inch loop. Twist. Loop. Twist. Around the same side, a little bit there. I'm going to trim that off. This is going to go down into the EZ Bowmaker. It's waiting for me. The sheer ribbon is a little bit harder to work with. We're going with it. Now I have this. I picked it from Dollar Tree a long time ago. I think this was for a baby shower. I'm going to do the same thing here on a 10-inch tail. Make about a 4-inch loop. Twist it, because I want the good side up. Make another loop. Twist. Cut that off. Put this down into the EZ Bowmaker. So I'm stacking the bows, and I think I'm going to do another layer. Ooh, maybe not. I don't think I have enough of this stuff. You could just stop right here. I'm going to add this little bit that I have left as a tail. Because I have it, I don't want to waste it. So I'm going to find the middle, put that down into the EZ Bowmaker. Now let's go in with another sheer. You know what? The rest are going to be tails. So there's that. Put that in there. And one more tail. I'm not even measuring because I can cut it down. That goes in there. Put that off to the side. Get a zip tie. So when I make my bows, I like to use the EZ Bow, especially if I'm doing a stack method. If I'm just doing one, I can do it in my hand, no problem. I'm using this zip tie right here. And what I want to do is I want to go up underneath all the tails and the loops. I want to make sure I have them all in there. And I'm just going to start the zip tie. I am not going to crank it all the way down. I'm going to start it, and I'm going to use this to help me remove it from the EZ Bowmaker. Bring the zip tie to the back. Now I'm going to add a pipe cleaner because I need a way to attach this to my lantern. So now that I have the pipe cleaner in there, I can crank it all the way down. I like to use a zip tie because it makes the loops and the tails pop up because it's nice and it's tighter than what I could do with just a simple wire. Trim that off. Get that out of the way. Now I'm going to use the pipe cleaners as a handle. I'm going to use this as a handle to hold my bow. I have the bow in my hand. It's nice and sturdy, and I want to get these loops and these tails where I want them to go. So I'm going to have 3 going up, 3 going down. Make sure my loops are seen. And I'm just going to fluff it up. This is called fluffing the bow. They also call this breaking the bow. So this is what I have. It's kind of wild looking. It's fine. I'm going to trim up the tails. I am going to dovetail them. So you fold it on itself. Cut it to slant up towards the wire. Same with the other tails. I'm going to do this to every single tail. The dovetail does give it an extra little, like, pretty little detail. And this is my bow. That's going to go on my lantern. So now I'm going to set this to the side and work on this pampas grass that I have. And I want to see if I have any greenery. Let me look and see if I have any greenery to go. Hold, please. I found some scraps of greenery that I had. I keep them in a bag. So I pulled some of the greenery out, and now I'm going to use the pampas grass, and I'm going to do a layering technique before I zip tie everything off. So here I'm going to start with the greenery, then I'm going to layer with the pampas grass, and I'm having it go in both directions. Next, I'm going to take that garland that I cut up into 2 pieces, and I'm going to lay that on top. Then I'm going to zip tie everything together. And I have the garland going in both directions as well. Now I want to zip tie these together in the middle. Before I zip tie it all the way down, I just want to add a pipe cleaner. This way I have a way of attaching it to my lantern. I'm going to get that nice and tight, and then I'm going to trim off the zip tie. Now I'm going to fluff up the garland. I just want the pieces going in the direction that I want them to go. Now I'm going to add the bow to the middle part of this little swag that I've created. I'm going to get that pipe cleaner twisted nice and tight, and then I'm going to use the pipe cleaner to wrap it around the top part of my lantern. Friends, if you like this kind of content, make sure you subscribe. This way you can see more of my videos. Also, give it a like and share. So here I just use the pipe cleaner, wrap it around the top part of my lantern, and twist tie it off. Friends, this is my completed project. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.